Greetings and welcome to another informative video from the Daily Health 101, where your health is our top priority. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our health tips. Dental health, though often overlooked, plays a pivotal role in our overall health, self-esteem, and quality of life. It's much more than just a bright and confident smile. Our oral health can provide clues about our overall health and can even affect it. Poor oral hygiene can lead to dental problems such as tooth decay and gum disease. These issues, if left untreated, can lead to more serious health problems beyond your mouth, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Bad breath, a common consequence of neglecting dental health, can affect your confidence and social life. A healthy mouth, on the other hand, contributes to a positive self-image and boosts your self-esteem. Remember, your mouth is the gateway to your overall health. Ignoring dental health can lead to a cascade of health problems. Now you may wonder, how can one maintain good dental health and avoid bad teeth? Well, here's a step-by-step guide just for you. First and foremost, regular brushing is crucial. It's not just about running a toothbrush across your teeth a couple of times and calling it a day. No, it's about doing it right. Brush your teeth at least twice a day, preferably in the morning and before bed. Make sure to use a toothbrush with soft bristles to avoid damaging your gums and enamel. And remember, brushing should take about 2 minutes, so don't rush it. Next, flossing. This isn't just an optional extra. Flossing is vital as it removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth and under your gum line, areas your toothbrush can't reach. Make it a daily habit, ideally before you brush your teeth at night, to ensure your mouth is as clean as can be. Thirdly, regular dental checkups. Don't wait until you have a toothache to visit the dentist. Regular checkups, ideally every 6 months, will allow your dentist to spot any potential issues early and help keep your teeth and gums healthy. Another key factor is your diet. A healthy diet isn't just good for your body, it's also essential for your teeth. Avoid consuming too much sugar. Sugar is a main culprit in tooth decay as it feeds the bacteria in your mouth, causing plaque. Instead, opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and dairy products. These foods are not just good for your overall health, but they also help to keep your teeth strong and your gums healthy. Limiting alcohol intake is also important. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to oral issues such as dry mouth and gum disease, and it can also increase your risk of oral cancer. So try to keep your alcohol intake moderate. Lastly, if you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your dental health. Smoking not only stains your teeth and gives you bad breath, but it also puts you at a higher risk of gum disease and oral cancer. So, brush regularly and properly, floss daily, schedule regular dental checkups, watch your diet, limit your alcohol intake, and quit smoking if you're a smoker. It might sound like a lot, but once you've made these actions into habits, it becomes second nature. Adopting these habits may seem like a lot of work, but remember, your smile is worth it. Plus, the benefits to your overall health are immense. So, to quickly recap what we've covered in this video, dental health plays a crucial role not just in maintaining a winning smile, but also in our overall well-being. Neglecting it can lead to a host of health issues, from gum disease and bad breath to more serious conditions like heart disease. We've discussed the importance of regular brushing, flossing, and routine dental checkups. Remember, brushing twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste, helps keep those cavities at bay. Flossing daily is equally important, reaching those areas your toothbrush can't. And don't underestimate the value of regular dental checkups. They're your best defense against any potential dental issues and can catch problems before they become serious. So, there you have it. A simple guide to maintaining a healthy smile. Remember, good dental health is more than just a beautiful smile. It's a window to your overall health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, keep smiling.